The ocean is beautiful, but also unpredictable. Some dangers are hiding in plain sight.
If you ever see this strange floating shape while swimming, turn around immediately.
It looks harmless, almost beautiful, but it's far more dangerous than it seems.
This is the Portuguese Man O War, often mistaken for a jellyfish, but much deadlier.
Its beautiful sail lets it travel across the ocean effortlessly, but beauty can be deceiving.
Below the surface, its tentacles can reach 30 meters, longer than a blue whale.
Most victims never see the tentacles until it's too late, and the sting is excruciating.
The venom feels like burning electricity. In some cases, it can even paralyze you.
But creatures are not the only danger. The ocean hides deadly traps, like rip currents.
Rip currents pull swimmers out to sea faster than even Olympic swimmers.
The correct move is simple. Swim parallel to the shore until you escape the pull.
The ocean hides countless things we barely understand. Some harmless, others deadly.
The box jellyfish is nearly transparent, but its venom can stop a human heart.
The venom feels like burning electricity. In some cases, it can even paralyze you. The ocean.
And farther below live creatures we've barely encountered, Tile.
The ocean doesn't always warn you. Sometimes danger appears instantly.
From deadly creatures to hidden currents, the ocean demands respect and awareness.
The ocean is beautiful, but beauty can be misleading. Always stay cautious.